Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we had a pretty rocky day today so far. We got the U.S. jobs report, which came in just okay. I mean, it wasn't any worse really than we thought it was going to be. It was about just on par. So why the liquidations? Why is Bitcoin crashing? Why is the market going down? So let's jump into it in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to the channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. I'm just going to start off over here on CoinMarketCap. Look at this dip. We had a bit of a relief rally up to about 50, almost 57K just after the jobs report was announced. And then boom, right down, we're down under 54, we're at 53.4 actually right now. So what is going on here? So I'm trying to figure out what is happening in the market and why everybody took this news so drastically. So this is basically what I've got here. Fed member Christopher Waller signaled a recent speech that Fed could begin a series of rate cuts this month, but left the scope open of those cuts open to like basically how much they're going to cut was open to interpretation. And the only thing I can figure here is the financial markets don't like uncertainty, so we're not sure exactly what this jobs report is really signaling. It sounds like they're going to need more data in terms of figuring out what to cut or if to cut at all. Really, they haven't really given us any solid data to go on here. So he says, based on the evidence I've seen, I don't believe the economy is in or heading for a recession. There's that R word that people don't like, Waller said, but he stressed the need to be careful about the word if. If the data shows a bigger cut is needed, then I will support that. When inflation accelerates in 2022, I have strongly advocated for an early rate hike, and I will support an early rate cut if that is appropriate. This is just 2 weeks after the Fed Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell made comments to the annual Global Central Banking Conference, saying in which Powell said the time is now to ease policy. So now we have this member of the FOMC coming out and saying that he's a little bit, he's not quite sold on on how much they're going to cut, or if they're really going to cut, or really what's happening at all. So I think the markets are just taking this a little bit negatively, and they're obviously selling off some. We knew September was going to be pretty volatile, and that's kind of what I expected, to be honest with you guys. There's a lot of analysts calling for Bitcoin to be sub 50. If that happens, I won't be too surprised, to be honest with you guys, because a lot of times we need to see dumps before we see anything else, more substantial in terms of a run. So that could be what we're looking at right now. So liquidations. So I was having to look at this. One person lost really, really bad. That's actually the end of this article. I'll let you guys know here in a second. So we saw the minor relief rally drove it to 57K after the jobs report. Bears were reminded of their presence and pushed it south hard. Total liquidations have skyrocketed to about 150 million on a daily basis. So the U.S. jobs report was actually for August, and it outlined a minor decline in the unemployment rate. Okay, so short-lived rally that it turned out to be a false breakout. In a matter of minutes, the asset slumped by about 2.5 grand from 57 to 54.4, and then altcoins also followed along. The single largest wreck position was a whopping one. It took place on HTX and was worth north of $13 million. Wow. If you got $13 million to gamble, you don't have near as many problems as the rest of us, I guess, but that still really, really sucks. So yeah, we're going to jump back over here. We're going to take a look at the biggest losers, I guess, of the top 100 today. So SWI is on top. Dogecoin is down 7, Ethereum 7. So there is, single digit losses today, followed by, well, this is following, losses from yesterday and day before, and these are all compounding together. So we are down in the last 7 days approximately 26% on Beam, 20% almost on Brett, 20 in Cosmos. Yeah, so September's honestly, guys, starting the way we were expecting it. We weren't expecting this to be a very good month for crypto. It historically hasn't been for Bitcoin as well. So hopefully we'll go up from here, but I'm going to be very, very hesitant and very cautiously optimistic here. So that's basically what I got for you guys. I will let you guys know if anything else comes about this. Maybe there's some more data out there that I just haven't found yet. But as for right now, I'm looking at it as uncertainty, and that is what the market doesn't like. Financial markets hate uncertainty. Anything to do with variance of what they expected, we see dumps, and sometimes they use this as a reason to dump to liquidate positions. So that could be a thing too as well. So because we're expecting it, we're expecting September to not be great. So traders are going to make it that way sometimes. So that's basically what I got for you guys in this video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your weekend. Maybe it's a good day to go out and touch some grass, hang with your, no, well, I guess it's Friday, isn't it? I was thinking it was Saturday for some reason. Joys of working from home, but still enjoy your weekend, guys. Have a great one. And I hope I'll catch you in the next video.